Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off friend suggestions on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to scroll first and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Once you are in setting, you simply need to scroll until you will find an option in notifications. You simply need to click on notification settings, and here you need to scroll, and here you can find option people you may know. Click on that option, and here you can see that you have a new friend suggestion like this. So you simply need to tap on that and click on turn off. You can see that now it is turned off. So this is the process by which you can turn off friend suggestions on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.